teacher.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ben.
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, me too. Can I see your number? Okay, thank you so much. And number 3. And your topic will be my favorite sport. So can you name some sport?
Baseball,
Baseball,
basketball,
basketball,
bowling,
anything else?
many, dancing, chess, singing.
Anything else?
Yes.
Okay. And do you like what is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is swimming.
Oh, can you tell me why? Can you tell me why you why you like the sport?
Because swimming is very tall.
I help you to be taller.
Yes.
Is that right? Okay. Who do you often go swimming with?
I go to swimming with my grandpa, friend,
A friend
and grandma.
and mother. Okay. So we just finished part 1. So right now we move on to part 2. And let's talk about your favorite sport. Talk about your favorite sport. Like you should talk first about what is your favorite sport? Why do you love it? And how do you often play this sport?
I love my favorite sport. I like baseball. My baseball is very happy.
Happy.
I love my baseball.
Oh. And how often do you play that sport? How often do you play baseball?
I sometimes
Sometimes.
play baseball.
Okay. And is baseball easy or hard to learn?
It's very hard.
Very hard. So you have to try a lot, to put a lot of attempt to learn how to play, right?
Yes.
And is that baseball popular in your school?
No.
No. So cool. So your friends play baseball?
Yes. I play baseball. It's baseball team.
That's a baseball field. Okay. So yeah, we finished part 2. So thank you so lot. Thank you so much for being here today. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye.